Today I'm going to teach you how to reset your ClickUp password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for security reasons, this straightforward process will get you back into your account quickly. First, open your web browser and navigate to clickup.com. This will take you to the ClickUp homepage where you'll find the login options. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the login button. This will direct you to the login page where you can access your account or reset your password if needed. Now, instead of entering your credentials, look below the password field where you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Go ahead and click on that. This is the key step that initiates the password reset process, allowing ClickUp to send you a secure link to create a new password. After clicking Forgot Password, you'll be prompted to enter your work email address. Type in the email that's associated with your ClickUp account, making sure it's accurate to ensure the reset link reaches you. Once you've entered your email, click on Send Me the Link. ClickUp will now process your request and send a password reset email to the address you provided. This might take a minute or two, so be patient while the email makes its way to your inbox. Next, open your Gmail account or whichever email service you use for your work email. Look for an email from ClickUp in your inbox. It should arrive shortly, but if you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it ended up there. Once you've located the email, open it to access the reset instructions. Inside the email, you'll find a button or link labeled Reset Password. Click on this to proceed. This will redirect you to a secure page on ClickUp's website where you can create your new password. This step ensures that only you with access to your email account can change your password. On the password reset page, you'll see two fields. In the first field, enter your new password. Make sure to choose something strong and memorable, ideally combining letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Then, in the second field, enter the same password again to confirm it. This double entry helps prevent typos and ensures you know exactly what your new password is. Once both fields are filled, click Create Password to finalize the change. And that's it. Your ClickUp password has been successfully reset, and you can now log back into your account using your new credentials. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.